contagious, 'cause I broke all the cages. No, I didn't take it. No, no. They let me put that, I guess they'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, still kingdom come. I'll never run. That's too many loyalty, 'cause I'm taking what you see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. That's too many loyalty, 'cause I'm taking what you see. They'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty. Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. There's so many things that I keep in my mind, like a past. There's a reason why all the emotions I built up inside you. Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. From my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. No, 'cause I'm feeling so free. No, 'cause I'm feeling so free.
Chad, baby, it is Tuesday. Y'all guys took a long on the JSE. Let's see how it goes. Hang Seng closing positive, Nikkei closing positive, so we will see. Hang Seng not closing up dramatically, but it is a bullish day, however. So Keegs, how are you feeling, my brother?
Hey, feeling good, bro. Feeling good. I'm hoping we're not getting the same price action as yesterday.
True, scam.
But yeah, feeling good. We got to make a comeback. We started the phase 2 on the back foot now. So not what we would have wanted, but time to bring it back.
Quick one. The only losses in the last 2 weeks, was it on Mondays with the crack, or was there a midweek loss?
Last week, I think, was Tuesday.
Oh, okay, so it's not a Monday thing.
No, it was Wednesday because remember it messed up. We didn't get the hat trick. We didn't get the hat trick. We went Monday, Tuesday. We couldn't get the Wednesday.
Yeah. Okay, so it's not a Monday thing.
But
okay,
hey, if the odds are right, the last 2 weeks
that's
was
done.
only one loss. That means the loss is out of the way. It's TP time for the rest of the week.
Full porting, Chad. Chad, I hope everyone is doing well. We are going to go into the official round 3 this morning. Hope you guys are ready and ready to get cracking. Hey, we've got a rattle fix in the house. Good morning, my brother. Good morning. You know, right? Here's the thing, Chad. Here's the thing. We've got each other's backs here. That's all I'm saying. No backs exposed. When you deal with us, you better believe your back is protected. All right, Chad. That's how we do business. Nobody's back is exposed. That's why we stand back to back. Keeks?
I always said a man is nothing without his word. So we've always got each other. You look out for each other.
Chad, before we start, as every morning, we're going to start off with prayer, not because we want to pray, but because we need it. Every single day, we need the prayer, we need those grace and that mercies that are new every single day, as the word says, that he is gracious and that his grace and his mercies are renewed every single morning. So with that, we're going to start off with prayer. And our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, and forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever. And if you believe that, you can drop an amen in the chat right about now.
Amen.
Keegan believes it. Do you believe it? It says, where 2 or more are gathered in my name, there I shall be. So we're standing on that promise that he is with us and amongst us.
Guys,
all right.
I'm just saying, as well, sorry, Chris, before we even go on, guys, come on. We are 6 people away from 12K. 6.
Is it 6?
Like, I'm sure there's 6 of you, that haven't subscribed. Come on, guys.
Chat, 6 more. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we're going to get straight into the analysis this morning. Yesterday, a little bit scammy. I know some guys took the buy stops at all-time highs I mentioned in Project G. Only concern for me was that there was no range, there was no consolidation. It was just basically a straight move to the upside. So very difficult for price to move. You got to think about it. Price needs to reset, breathe. So not. I got lucky. I'll show you guys. I got a little bit lucky. My mistake actually saved me yesterday, but we're gonna check that out right now. So remember, that was Monday, Tuesday. Little bit of a ramp up. Not yet in full swing. This week is starting off a little bit slow. So nothing much, just some GDP figures coming out of Germany, coming out flat, better than expected though, year on year, quarter on quarter as expected. So nothing major today, guys. We've got some consumer confidence, but as mentioned, Wednesday slowly but surely. Okay, Wednesday even a little bit chalked, but Thursday, Friday, Chad, that's a business ink. So make sure that you're still around by Thursday, Friday. Don't blow up now before then, okay? Let's stick around. Let's have a great trading week, all right? Back to the charts, Chad, real quick. Let me just do this. Why are we... Okay, there we go. Okay, daily time frame. What are we looking at? DXY on the daily, still bearish. Yesterday, closing bullish. Taking a previous daily low. I told you guys I'm expecting some range. I wouldn't even mind it if the dollar goes into this range, but I'm expecting a potential pullback today. All right, let's keep that in mind. We're already at the monthly S3. Monthly S3. 4 hour, we've got this little untapped breakout level. So let's see if we can push up today. Not long-term bullish, just in the short term, I want to see somewhat of a dollar pullback. All right, 5 minutes. Very, very easy for us. If we hold Asia lows and we get above that 200, we are going bullish, chat. Previous daily high, 2 levels to monitor. Asia lows, previous daily high. Let's see what we do. If we start breaking below here, then obviously the dollar is in trouble. Okay, daily time frame, US 30. Yesterday, some scammy price action there. There's that buy stops that I mentioned. Didn't take it myself. I was next to a tennis court, taking my daughter for her little tennis lesson. But all right, Chad, all-time highs taken yesterday. I'm still bullish. We've got this daily wick to fill, so not going to change my outlook as of yet. Still bullish on the day. 4 hour time frame, a little bit of scammy price action here, up, down, in a range now, so nothing to really read on that 4 hour. 5 minute time frame, what do we have on the 5? US 30 holding now at Asia highs. If we can hold Asia highs, me and Keegan were talking about it. Asia highs, going for that daily EQ, daily pivot. All right, very simple going into the session. Asia highs, there you go. Easy as they come. NASDAQ daily. What do we have on the daily? Okay. Keeks, this makes NASDAQ a little interesting. Remember what I told you guys, I'm bullish on the week, and I said I ideally want to see a daily breakout above here. Didn't get that yesterday. Actually broke down lower. Okay, so now unless NASDAQ can get back inside of the zone here, what's going to happen is we're actually going to trade lower. All right, only thing is there's that short-term little support that got broken. If we fail to hold above it, we can go to this little intermediate support level there, and after that there's a lot of downside that we can go and explore, but ideally we want to see a daily close back inside of this range. Okay,
Bro, we are one person away from 12k.
all right, one more, Chad, one more. And then we have NASDAQ at Asia highs. There's the 200 EMA. So very simple. There's also that daily key level. Chad, very, very simple. This level here, if we can hold that and if we can then get above this level, then I think we are A4 away to the upside. Daily EQ all the way up there. So potential bull play on the cards today. Gold, what do we have here? Beautiful. Yesterday, bullish. Today, still bullish, Chad. Look at this. Daily breakout. So, question now is, last week, Tuesday, all right, we had the break there. We were expecting the bullish continuation. Then we had 2 bearish days. So now, are we actually going to hold above this monthly R1? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days that we are now trading at it. So very simple for me. Very, very simple. If we hold a monthly R1 today, gold is gone. Okay. I'm expecting a strong push to the upside. Big Asia range. Quite a big, yeah. Almost 120 pips. All right. Let's go, yeah. 200 EMA.
Hey,
beautiful.
12k, baby. 12k, baby.
Oh, yes, it.
Sheesh.
Chad, baby. Chad, let me just finish gold and then I'm gonna thank you, all of you. Gold, very simple for me going into the session. This zone right here, that is our make or break. There's the 200. If we can hold above this monthly R1, we are solid. Otherwise, if we start rejecting here, I might start to look for some shorts, but the daily is making it very difficult for me to even consider shorting this market, and I'm also super bullish on the week. So that is gold. Going over to Keegs. Chad, big shout out to all of you. 12K. It has been an absolute incredible journey. Big shout out to Keegs holding the fort here with me every single day. Keegan leading Wall Street, me leading the opening bell. So big shout out to you guys. Awesome stuff. Keegs, over to you. Just your price. I don't know why.
I had to move it for.
Okay, yeah.
I don't know why your screen is different to mine, bro.
Dude, I don't know. Just a little bit to the right.
It's the weirdest thing. Like they're both 27-inch screens.
Let me actually just take a little video. Alright, officially hitting the 12K on YouTube. Thank you guys so much. It has been an absolute incredible journey so far. Peace and love, baby.
Alright.
A little bit more. There, perfect.
Okay, I'm just trying to get back to our thing. There we go. Alright. That's all we wanted to see there. 12K, baby. 12K. What a sexy looking number over there. But yeah, chat, let's get into it. So DXY, what am I looking for today? This is literally the perfect thing of what we wanted to see, kind of building up from last week. We kind of got it late in the week. We want to see the Monday, Tuesdays. This was exactly what we wanted to see. Going on to our pre-market on Sunday night, we spoke about trading down, testing at S3, and getting the bullish move after that. And then we wanted to see us again move bullish moving forward. We have the weekly pivot up on the top here. And we've got the weekly pivot or key level of 100,900, guys. As remember I said, that's where we want to be trading back to. So, for example, daily pivot EQ is underneath us. I don't know about the EQ. It seems a little bit too far for me personally. But I definitely think when we look at it over there, it already had a nice retest. So I don't think the EQ might be necessary. But the daily pivot does give us that nice little range to break down, test, and go bullish again after that. So we're going to look here on the 15. As I said, EQ for me is a bit low, but technically we have there Monday, end of the day. So Tuesday it hasn't tested, but we do have some price action there. So maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but I'd be happy with the daily pivot. If we can get some type of move like that, again, Asia highs untested. The 200 we catching up very nice and steadily, holding closer to it. So we're going to look for the break, holding for anticipation. A lot of guys think we're going to get the reversal of it. I think DXY might find strength after it. I would say that daily R1 and all the way back up there. Again, not necessarily the fact that we're going to be there. Keep in mind the fundamentals, which has been quite bearish for the dollar, only really starts by like Thursday to start ramping up. So this dollar has literally Monday from yesterday, Tuesday today, and Wednesday tomorrow to potentially have that bullish run. So we definitely want to see if we can get above this 200 and trade bullish for the rest of the week or till today and tomorrow up until that key level or even the weekly pivot. So definitely going to be looking for that bullish momentum to continue from the dollar. When we go over to NASDAQ, that lines up perfectly. So remember now, guys, I said to you when we spoke about this trade over here, Friday trading, we held the lows, traded back up and rejected off of the top of the zone. So what do we expect that day? The retest, and now to trade back down to see the bottom being tested again. Big move to the downside, taking out this little low over here into that. So for me personally, literally what NASDAQ's doing now, I'm really going to actually anticipate the sells. So we're trading off in this zone, testing that key level. I really want to see NASDAQ fall back to the downside. So when we start looking on the 4 hour, this is your nice pullback to these low bodilies over there. Obviously our key level. And if we can hold this, see that momentum continue. We obviously do have the spike over here. So one thing we will take note of is because this is the monthly pivot, we could see a break of this daily pivot, possibly even the EQ, and then that monthly pivot, the 200 also there becomes a nice price before we continue bearish. But as I said, if we even hold over here at the daily pivot, I'll be happy with a break back in Asia highs, hold as resistance to then target Asia lows untested and that bearish momentum to continue. Very similar off to US30. US30 was the one that was a bit chalky for us, just absolutely whack, and we got smacked yesterday. Again, just price action that was all over the place. The guys that were with us yesterday, we were waiting for that weekly pivot. I said to you, I had a very good feeling all-time highs were not going to get traded. We basically wicked it in that sense, and that's the thing of trading it. We spoke about the weekly R1, and if we didn't get it, it was going to turn around. And as we hit the weekly R1, we had that little bit of a spike. It failed, turned around, and we can see there came the aggressive sell-off back to where the Asia highs were. So again, I'm just move this, just bear with me there still. But obviously looking at the Asia highs and lows already with our indicator, we can see what we're going to look for. Let's just go back to the 4 hour. Is kind of a little bit of a momentum switch. So if we see here, let me go into the 1 hour, it might be a bit more clear. Yeah, there we go. So on the 1 hour, you can see we got these levels here of these little highs. So we definitely want to see price start trading into those levels over there. Again, the daily pivot is there. So if we can do this, possibly even a little bit of a stretch out, but then body closure back underneath, I'll look for that resistance and then a sell back into Asia highs. Once breaking Asia highs, you got the previous weekly high, Asia lows untested, and the big move to the downside. Very simple. If we do though, that's why I'm going to say neutral. If we can get above this and start holding as support, I'm going to look for the buy move. Again, very simple. EQ, get above and continue the buy. But as I say, really am preferring the sells a bit more today, purely because I'm anticipating that turnaround. Now if we go over to gold as well, again, we want to take a bit of a neutral outlook, because as much as price action was a bit messy for us yesterday, we had some good, decent moves. But the big thing I spoke about was we needed to get above here and we needed to hold above the monthly R1. So what I'm going to look at for gold, though, on the other hand, compared to everything else, is this over here. On the 4 hour, as much as we trade in bearish, now this is going to be a very, very simple one for me. Today, the buys above monthly R1. If we are holding above the monthly R1, I'll happily take the buys. But if we break like we have down, yeah, this should have been the retest, continue higher. We broke below, now we're having the retest. If we fail with body closure here, for me, the sells are on. Very, very simple with this one. So again, we are just going to be monitoring this here. Asia highs, we can see they're at the daily pivot with the EQ. So very, very nice zone. If this fails, like I said there, back, that was your test. Monthly R1, if you hold here, very simple. I'm going for the shorts, Asia lows, and even further down. So that is what I'm going to be looking at for today, guys.
All right, Keeks, thank you so much. Chad, big shout out to you guys. Yeah, please don't congratulate us. You are the guys that are joining us every single day. So big shout out goes to you guys. This channel, this is not our channel. This is our channel. And I mean the community. That is ideally what we are building here. Like Jeremy said in that one call, the community is what makes 2Gs, not Chris and Keegan. We might be leading here from the front, but ultimately this is a community project. You guys have given into that community. For instance, that giveaway, not even giveaway, that charity event we did with 24-hour stream. All of that is you guys. We also just play our part, but it is ultimately you guys that make the success of this channel. So big shout out to all of you. Nila. Young donor there. Really appreciate it. Where's everyone? Griffin. No. Way too early to log off now. Ruben. Chad, let's get through the fundamental chat here real quick. Slasher Cakes, USD franc loses ground due to dovish sentiments surrounding the Fed. Safe haven flows driven by rising tensions in the Middle East are supporting the Swiss franc. Swiss non-farm payrolls rose by 1.3% year-on-year, reaching 5.499 million in the second quarter. Gold price drifts lower as traders await fresh catalysts. Gold price attracts some sellers, smashing the two-day winning streak in Tuesday's Asia session. Rising bets of a US rate cut this year and escalating geopolitical conflicts might cap the gold's downside. We're waiting here for this monthly R1. Investors will watch the US CB's consumer confidence and housing price index data, which are due on Tuesday. Rattle fix in the house. Dylan Savage, top of the morning. Good morning, my brother. Hope you are well. Most Asian currencies weakened on Tuesday as new Canadian trade tariffs on China ramped up fears of a trade war, while a rally in the Japanese yen was hampered by some soft inflation data. USD JPY eased on Tuesday, pairing some of their safe haven gains from the start of the week in the wake of a major missile exchange between Israel and Hezbollah. that stoked fears of a wider escalation. Nvidia earnings on Wednesday will set the tone for potential AI rally and improved risk appetite now that markets are braced for rate cuts. BG, Bevan Gous, Euro moves above 115.50 due to improved market optimism. Pound holds positions around 13200 ahead of UK PM Starmer's speech. Aussie dollar advances following the Euro EUR's optimistic market sentiment. Fed's daily leaves door open to bigger rate cut on further labour market weakness. BCA assigns 55% chance of Trump winning the upcoming election. All right, Hannah Moller. Chad, just an update there. Hanu is working some magic there with the wife. A lot of foot rubs, a lot of shoulder rubs, some chocolates, and some very, very high quality biltong is on the cards. Can Hanu pull it through for the Chad? Hanu said he is absolutely fighting for the Chad. He told his wife this is not just for him, but this is for the collective community. So Project Linda under maintenance, and we will get that back and up and running very, very soon. So big shout out to Hanu Moller and Linda, the unsung hero of the Chad. BG and Hendrikus du Plessis back in the chat again. He says he's ready to move up to light heavyweight to go and take Pereira. Jeremy, good morning. Bevan Gous, in other news, got a little dark this morning, so we shall just enjoy the prayer and try again tomorrow. Chad, you see, prayer works. Change of heart for BG. Man wanted to drop something. Man wanted to drop something out there, but he said maybe tomorrow. The prayer was too powerful. All right. Chad, markets are open and in motion, baby. This is the official round 3 fight. English or Spanish? English, my brother. English always. Spanish for self-defense. Yana Chris, you sure were never a stand-up comedian, man. What did I do? What did I do? Chris, why did we really stop trading the currency pairs during the opening bell? Missed the days of crashing GBP USD and GBP JPY. Can we please go back there, even if it's one pair? Giddy, we can. Only thing is there is no volatility on these pairs. This is pound for you yesterday. This was the pound. Just going back there, there's the pound. How big is this range? 26 pips. All right, let's look the previous days. Then you had this during their labor. I think there was a labor release. Then this was Thursday. Dude, it's just at this stage very, very difficult to trade these instruments. Alright, so this range was 22 pips. I'll go back on it. I'll go and back test a little bit more, but no positions would have been taken here. This is the unfortunate thing about it is how do we trade this? In all honesty, I'm asking the question in all honesty. How do we trade this? But I will chat to Nila. I know Nila has been swinging on it the last couple of months, so I'll chat to Nila. Maybe we do something. Maybe we do something on the hourly. Yeah, the price action is just too messy, my brother. And then if we look at pound yen. The issue with pound yen is that there is just so much there's so much outside influence on the pound yen, just the JPY in general. So yeah, dude, I honestly have no look. Yeah, here's my thing. Look at this since the 15th of August. And you can already just see the pain that traders are going through here. So why must I get stuck into this? personally, I feel like there's a lot more other opportunities. All right, so but we'll look at it. I'll try and figure something out for us. I'll try and figure something out for us. Chris, will you recommend options trading in BTC? Bugatti, I've never traded a single option in my life. I've traded options on a demo account. But when it comes to real money, I have not touched options trade. So, no. So I'm not the right guy to guide you on that. I know you can make a lot of money on options. The Tweakers podcast, Keeks, who forgot to check my message request on Insta. Chris, here's a scenario. You go back to 10-year-old self. You're only allowed to say 3 words. What are you saying? Jesus is Lord. There you go. 3 words.
The Tweakers podcast. Bro, I didn't get any message from you. I'm actually literally looking at messages now, and I don't have any message from
Tweakers
podcast.
I almost thought it's Tweezer's podcast. Tweezing.
So yeah, brother, I don't know if you messaging the right Keegan. Nasdaq Nazim. Oh, right. Okay, well that would make sense, bro. If you send me a different
Teasers. Oh, is it Teasers podcast? Hey man, it's taking a rough turn here.
Okay,
right.
Also my brother, I'm just gonna say this, like I'm not being like rude here now, but when you send me a message literally just going like ha or yo or things like that, like I don't answer messages like that because it's like I'm not here to just start a conversation. Like if you're gonna ask something, then like we can chat. So yeah, just a heads up for anyone else. I think Chris has also spoke about it before.
What's that?
Like if you just message with like ha.
Oh yeah, just send your message.
Yeah.
Send your full send it. The issue, yeah, just full send it. Get that point out. Yeah, if I can give you a tip, if you are gonna message people, just full send it.
Jeez, 12K, baby.
Hey, Lyndon, baby. Thank you for everything, Chris and Keys. Thanks so much, my brother. Thank you for that dono. Really, really do appreciate it.
Okay, 2 years. Okay, I get you, bro. I get you.
I thought, yeah. Alrighty, Chad. Let's see. DXY going for that low. How low can you go on DXY? There's that key level, 200 EMA. Let's see if we can hold it. Gold, beautiful. Asia highs. It's going to be an interesting one. Asia low still intact. And gold's going to need to make a push away from this monthly R1 at one stage, or the bulls are going to need to give up. So that's the question. US 30, beautiful. Holding Asia highs currently. Nice little, yeah, I don't know if you can consider that a test, but it is moving away. Nasdaq in this weird little range here. Weird little punchy range. So let's see. Hey, Chad, you guys are way, way too kind.
The donors are just flying in
Sure,
today.
Chad, it's a bad day to be a donor. Donors are getting absolutely abused here this morning. Chris, how many subs is it going to take to watch you dance on stream, bro? Hey, bro, it's not about how many subs. It's about how many drinks. I can get loose. I can get loose on the dance floor. Ask my wife. I'm usually that guy. I'm a slow starter. But then at the end of the night, the people at the venue ask me, they're like, bro, just leave. Like, we've got families. We want to go home. Yeah, Chad, no, I live it up a little bit. Not always, but when I do get invited to weddings. So that's why I've only been invited to like 3 weddings. So feel free to invite me. I give decent. That's why I'm hoping Keeks gets married. I already told him, like, bro, like, I'm there. Like, you cannot not have me on the list. Like, I've only been to 3 weddings. I quite enjoy them. Loose as a goose, you say, hey, my dude. Some of the ex are like, how's that guy so big and is so loose? Now I'm almost like a young Vince Vaughn, Wedding Crashers, where he comes back and is like, you moved pretty well for a big guy, and it's like, you know, it just comes naturally. Chris will be the Germany. Hey. No. I need a Germany. Does the name OZG ring a bell to anyone? Why, Liesel? OZG. Alrighty, gold ski. Is Rydell still on Instagram? Let's just check. Liesel, yeah. Liesel, I already chatted to Rydell. I'm the Don't stress. Let me just see.
I was gonna say, what the hell's going on here?
I know Rattle's still there.
Bugatti, no. It's purely for US study because parts of it is purely developed for US study.
Okay, here we go. Broker recommendation. Matrix, ultimately, it's your choice. We trade with Vault Markets. So, Vault Markets is a partner of the channel as well as Vault Funder. But ultimately, you cannot really make any recommendations. You, as a client, need to go and do your due diligence. Go and trade with the broker. Go through the process. Does he have a card machine? Can I e-wallet it? Okay. Okay. Perfect. Hey, no, Keegan is gonna feel the wrath. I'm 100% gonna be one of the executives planning that bachelor's.
Bro, I don't think you've seen my family party.
Nah, bro, but me and your family together planning your bachelor's, bro.
Bro, I'm worried though, because so Kate and I were talking about this. We're saying like with Duan, with my brother, I feel like it would you there, Caitlin's dad.
Whoa, Caitlin's dad alone,
bro.
Caitlin's
like,
dad alone is already.
It is gonna be rough, bro.
Sheesh. Okay, Chad, there's nothing to be proud of, but on my bachelor's, I don't know if you remember college. The college. That place, yes, dude, what was it called? Castro's.
Oh, okay.
Castro's.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
college was next to Castro's. So on my bachelor's, around about like 1 o'clock, bro, they stripped me literally just in my onderbroek. What is an
Yeah.
onderbroek in English?
Undies, your jocks, your
My
undies,
jocks,
whatever you wanna call
undies.
it.
On the stage there next to the DJ in my jocks, Chad. Hey man, it was rough. My wife was pissed. She's like, "Hoe is 'n halfkaal op Castro se DJ dek?" I was net soos, "Yo." Chat a bachelor's is rough. Shame on my dad was there with me the entire evening. He was just keeping the guys under wraps. So, hey man, no, look, the bachelor's is the bachelor's. Like as much as we, like the bachelor's is where things get real. So Keeks can't think like, hey, lekker familie braai, ons gaan het, no, Keeks. That's a big no from us, dog. My brother, I'm licking my lips. When is this sweating happening? I'm licking my lips here. I'm just gonna sort out these guys that picking up the black bags. Let me know when you're done there. And I can just throw on your screen quick. Chad, give me 1 second. I just want to sort these guys out. We just have some guys that's removing the rubbish here at the office.
Yeah, hi, Keeks Actor. Hope you make it out alive, bro. I know it's gonna be rough. I know it's gonna be rough. Like, this isn't even a joke. Like, okay, just to tell you guys. So, like, my family, like, we'll party, bro. We all party. So, like, we even still said, like, literally in the next year or two, like, we want to go do Tomorrowland. And even though my mom is like in her 50s and now, she's just like, no, she'll do Tomorrowland with us. Like, she'll do Tomorrowland with us till today. So definitely it's on the cards. But yeah, like, so my brother's overseas. And when he came down the last time, okay, when I was 2 times before that, and we had to catch up, we went out drinking. Like, guys, I promise you, this is not even being exaggerated, but I literally was hospitalized for alcohol poisoning. Like, I couldn't stop vomiting. I couldn't do anything. I was literally in hospital for like 3.5 hours on a drip and medicine, because I was that dead. Again, this isn't trying to like boast, but like, this is boys being boys. Literally doing my brother-in-law, we had a Halloween party the one weekend. Literally the next day we had a festival, bro. Me and this man going 1 for 1. So now he gets clever, so he's pouring out drinks. Every single drink he poured me was like 2 shots of tequila in my drink. Like, bro, we will go for it if we go for it. Tomorrowland 2025 for sure, 100%, bro. Wait, I want to go with you to Tomorrowland. Keys, if you get me there, I'll help you scale on. I'll be the guy if you need water and hide you from them. So no, guys, our family, we will throw down, bro. So yo, I already know that bachelor's is gonna be, it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be proper rough. What's DXY doing? There's that break also. I want to see if it retests this before going bullish again. There comes the bearish move on NAS. So let's see if it holds here. It better be your your birthright passage. Geeks, but things escalated. When did you... No, bro. No. I'm not engaged yet, bro. Not engaged yet. I know the Chad's trying to put the pressure on, but we're not there yet. I know, then nothing stressed about yet. 100%, bro. 100%. I'm good. Don't pressure my boy, Chad. I say, guys, I'm purely waiting here. This, I think, was the nice move I wanted to see. We get a nice closure under here. I might go for the sell, guys. I personally don't like that DXY is selling off at the same time. But we're going to see what we get here. Yeah, as I say, guys, I am liking the sells, so we're going to see what happens here. Will your trades be updated in the group today? Yes, they will. They will, guys. Okay, chat, check it out, Linda. Hey, is this Hannah's Linda? I think Linda's in the chat.
Linda.
I'm guessing it's only Linda I know.
You think it's the real Linda?
Is this the real Linda? We need a photo with 3 fingers.
Wait, let me see. Where did you see
There
Linda?
at the bottom. Everyone's like, is this Linda the coder?
Linda.
Linda,
No.
you famous, yeah.
Linda Labuskakny.
Because that was just a random message. Can be like, okay, chat, check it out. We want the real Linda. 100%. I don't... Chris, is this the real Linda? No, it is.
Hey, it is.
New models up. Please check the 1 minute
Linda.
accuracy. Please note that Linda hasn't had time to work in the 5 minute and 15 minutes to optimize the predicted close price. Hey, it's the real Linda.
Hey, baby.
We're wrenching Linda.
Yeah, let's wrench Linda immediately. All right. Chad, Linda has officially been wrenched.
Bro, you know what's scary now, eh? Is, okay, so I want to sell now. In the next, if this 15 closes out is now, I'm selling. It's literally like me versus the Linda bot. Who's going to win, bro?
Oh, is it on? Wait.
I don't know if it's on.
Oh, yeah.
But it's a case of like,
Sure.
now it's pressure, bro.
Chad. Okay, wait.
Man versus machine. Look at the new interface. Is there a whole new interface?
Yeah. Hey, Chad, look at this. Look at this, baby. Already. I know that say, give her 2 hours.
Sheesh.
It's gonna look incredible. Give her a day. Out of this world. Give her a weekend. Mind blown.
Hey, Signal is saying sell.
That's on the 1 minute though, eh?
Okay, but
So the 5 and the 15 is still being worked on. Wait, let me just chat to Hanu here quickly. Let's just chat to Hanu. Wait, let me just get that message. New models up. Check the 1 minute. Actually, please note that Linda hasn't had time to work on the 5 minute, 30 minute. Okay, but wait. 5 and 15. But the 30 minute, I'm assuming Hanu is the 30 minute. So it's just the 5 and the 15, or is it just the 1 minute that's working? Oh, I can already see Linda's worked in a probability now as well, a p-value. Sheesh, Chad. Like I said, I don't know what are we doing with... Oh, sorry, man. It's still on Keegan's screen. Chad, sorry, man. Yes, it. I've been going on here about it. I feel like we're busy with little sticks and stones here. And then Linda's just here busy air frying stuff. We like on a little fire. Okay. 1 minute is saying bye. Sheesh. Okay, I don't know where to look at now. Where's Anna? So she can't sit and wait for the 5 and 15 every time, so she worked on the 1 minute. Okay. We'll focus on after today's data. The model is running in a server now, so to pull the data will be faster now. Hey. Beautiful, beautiful. Anu, wees eerlik, is jy besig om daar amok te maak op die 1 minute? Moenie vir ons jokkie. Big changes coming. Chad, I can promise you, Anu is busy scalping there on the 1 minute. If you loved it on the 5 and the 15, I told you guys we're going to love it on the 1 minute. Ek gaan nou begin train met koffie maak die hele tyd. Hey, big shout out to Anu. I told you guys, Anu did say he's going to work his magic. Massive food rubs. Chocolates, biltong.
I was gonna say we're gonna have to send Hanno like a payment for all the biltong he's had to go through, bro.
We're gonna need to send Linda something. Chad, the 1 minute did say bye, eh? Sheesh. Look at that, bro. Is the 1 minute saying bye again? Yeah. Nah, bro, this thing on a 1 minute is gonna be mad.
Well, the bot only do gold. Yeah, it's only gonna do gold for now.
But it's gonna be a drop down, chat. So the idea is it's only doing gold now. Here on the left hand side you can see gold, so it's gonna have the option to select. And there you can see the time frames. If you, oh, it's already, dude, mad. Now it's giving a, I must just get in a loop of it.
Telling you, bro, it's me versus the bot today.
But okay, let me just get back on the charts here quickly. Okay, 5 minute breaking back inside. There's that 200 chat. That's the only thing for me. Is this 200 EMA. You guys know how strong that 200 is. So if we can create a little bit of a support here and retest that area and reject, otherwise we can have a little bit of some scammy price action here. Can actually mod Hanu as well. I don't know why Hanu's not modded. So the price on the 5 and 15. Wait, let's just check here. So the price on the 5 and 15 will be next to get the price model to be more accurate. Same as the 1 minute. Very difficult math. Okay. Hanu, so I'm assuming. Okay, so are you saying that it's only the 1 minute currently that we can use? Just correct me if I'm wrong. This already looks incredible, bro. Gave a sell signal. Oh, okay, the price. Alright. I wonder what is the lag. Let me see the update. Okay. One minute's giving a sell.
Bro. And I wanted to sell, yeah.
I want to actually check, so you would have sold, yeah.
That Matrix, bro, I promise you, I've just been watching, yeah. I'm locked in, yeah.
Okay, this 1 minute closing now. Let's check the next 1 minute. Sorry, Chad, it's not a trade. I'm just checking something here. Yeah, the 1 minute's going to be a little tough to... Oh, now it's giving me a buy. Yeah, no, the 1 minute will... The 1 minute is rough. But it is pointing... Price to 511. Chris, ek hoor jy op YouTube en dan 2 sekondes later kom jy deur in die trading room. Nee, maar my mic is af op Discord, so dis weird dat jy my sal hoor. Hoe werk dit? Dis crazy, want die so turn on, daar is my microfoon houers aan en daar is hy af. Sure, that's weird. Right, Keek, so you haven't taken anything, eh?
No, bro. I wanted those sells, but I'm not going to take it yet. It needs to maybe give me a bit of a pullback or something first now.
Check the price prediction. I know, ja, skies, ek gaan 'n meeting. Styf, ek is af van die Discord af. Ek gaan my wat ek wel gaan doen is ek gaan my tablet kry van môre af. En dan gaan ek die Discord hier sit, so ek het nou daai room geleave. Sorry man, want ek's oral gemute, maar dis weird dat ek nog steeds deurkom. So skies julle. But why am I still in the call? Okay, wait, there I'm out. I'm out now. I mean, did you get a coder? No, we didn't get a coder. Hanu, one of the community members' wife, is a weapon of a coder. And yeah. She was drinking a coffee one afternoon and just as a little mental warm-up, she just coded it. Just to get her fingers loose for the day. And yeah, it turned into Project Linda now. Almost like a singer doing vocal warm-ups. She was just doing some warm-ups on the keyboard. And she just finessed it. Iemand se mic nog aan. Nee. Ja, dalk Stouff, ek dink wat gebeur is iemand kyk die YouTube en hulle is op die Discord. So dis hoekom jy hoor ons stem deur hulle mic. So ek is heeltemal af van die channel af nou.
Bro, I hate that. Yes, it's gold sometimes. No retest. And that's like TP there already. That thing's just gone.
The only trouble is there on your screen at 15 closed above the and then the one that closed below is just
I said to the guys, yeah. Literally was yeah. And I'm like, guys, I want the sell. Like that's the sell there. Come in, Asia lows. And I mean that would have been a 1 to 3. Yeah, you're already like your 1 to 1. It's like you break even. And then this thing just ran. Literally the one candle, yeah, there, this candle, just pile drived it.
Okay, so check the timestamp on top of the M1 trade if time is not correct. Don't follow the trade. Guys, yeah, as Andre said, just mute your mics when you're in that channel, please.
No, but we have the other channel that's being created.
Yeah, but I think Anna wants to still throw it in there. We can throw it on later.
Because the other one,
the other one is live.
Yeah, we in control of it though, so we can make sure everyone else's mics are muted.
It was Carl's mic. Hey, why don't you take it? No trade for me, brother.
I was asking about when I was purely as I said that last 5 minutes because the trade was analyzed on the 15, and there was 1 5 minute left. So I just wanted that 5 to stay where it was and close, and that last 5 minute just ran.
Yeah, Chad, no trade for me as of yet. You guys know what I'm looking at. Because here's my thing, as always. We had the break below. Then we shot back up immediately. Then we failed to hold here. No retest. So, yeah, that looks wrong. But anyway, so no trade for me as of yet. Hey, Amina. Hey, the donos are coming through. Thank you so much, guys. Chris, have you loaded the account for Project Linda? Until actually, I'm loading it today. Yeah, I had a chat with Hanu. Yeah, it's gonna. I think. Yeah, I don't know how Hanu is managing his wife, but. Yeah, myself and Anu, we actually have a trade plan as well that we're busy developing and that we're going to test. And that's going to be available for everyone to test with us. So, we're going to ideally, we want to use only the 15. And, yeah, the 15 is where Anu... Hannes se strykyster donderdag 4 warm was. Uit die mark, enige krekels wat in die mark was, het net lekker uitgestryk. So the iron was hot on Thursday. Hanu unfortunately managed to break that code. Yeah, Hanu got stuck into the code there. And... but no harm of foul dan. Jy praat so mooi Afrikaans, Kribo. Hey, Driekus. Dit klink so eg. Hey, man. Ja, heeldag moet ek hier Engels praat en dan daai Afrikaans wil uitbars uit my uit. Baie keer wat is 'n gedig? Baie keer na die stream dan gaan lees ek Afrikaanse gedigte. Net om 'n bietjie van daai Afrikaans ontslae te raak. Wat wil uit. Verware riem onder my hart. Ag, pragtig, pragtig. Kids, imagine that Afrikaans stream.
Yeah.
Wait, let me actually... Oh.
Justice, bro. Flipping gold.
Ja, what's the chat? Gesels. Hey, julle. Gaan los asseblief kommentaar daar in die gesels afdeling. Ons gesels bietjie vandag met Druskus Du Plessis. Kap jy ou Antjie Krog, hey man. Ek wil sê jy het 'n CJ Langhoof en stemtoon aan jou. Die hond blaf om te beklemtoon. That other bot guy, he's obviously, he chose his niche, the Afrikaans people. Hey guys, ek wil net vir julle sê, hierdie bot van ons is fantasties. Hierdie bot ruk die dinge mal. No, Chad, the weird thing is, as much as you want to, I actually told my wife, like, my son is, he's like fully blown English. He just chose English. My daughter's in an English school. As much as we love the Afrikaans language, globally, nobody's doing business in Afrikaans. There's a very small minority that actually speak Afrikaans. None of us studied in Afrikaans. All of us studied in English. So yeah, you can't be ignorant now and say, oh, I want to do business in Afrikaans. You can, no. You can. Tidal Wave took its first hit in a while, 20 pips away from TP and turned around. Hey, where did you take it? Oh, you took it, yeah. Edski, maybe something to look at is where you take, where you move stops to break even, because my thing now is, let's say you took it here, just a consideration, like you took it there, that thing was, say, almost, 15 pips, 20 pips away from TP, so now your risk actually becomes to the opposite end, because initially, yeah, you were risking what you were risking, but now when price is up here, technically your risk becomes that, because now you are basically risking this entire move that it made up, that you were willing to lose for that extra 20. So I think maybe 80% to target, maybe going break even. Chris sê kort in die global besigheid, as jy haar gou wys wat is, dan koop sy sommer vir jou kar as sy 16 is. Hey, Kicks will sound like an English class trying Afrikaans public speaking. Chad, I've never actually heard Keegan speak Afrikaans.
I can do many things, guys, but Afrikaans is not one of them.
Really?
No.
Are you bad at it?
Bro.
Only self-defense situations.
Full on, bro.
Chad, so on his bachelor's, only Afrikaans. He's gonna get fined if he's speaking English. Only Afrikaans, Chad. Just Andre, jy gaan hoor op my bachelor's. Hier by die einde van die aand gaan hy amper soos 'n jong Max Verstappen klink. Max. Bro, we are technically descendants of the Dutch. You know that, eh?
Mm.
Like somewhere along the line, we came from a Dutch family that came on a ship many years. Kiash, is that the Kiash that
one.
is the ultimate trader, baby? And I actually... Kiash, okay, but to be honest, my bro, I just need to ask this. You were never on any one of the team calls, so that is just one thing I have to put out there. Kiash was never on any of the team calls, so
That's actually quite funny, bro.
dude, he was like I was sitting, I was watching it, and I was like, he's in my team, but I never saw him on any of the team calls, so. But still, he did choose Team Chris. Appreciate you, my brother. We're just busy with compliance.
When you said Asia lows have just been left and I took gold stars. Bro, I wish you guys had the confidence we have in ourselves. Well,
We have the confidence
yeah.
with you guys.
Because, yes, sis.
Yeah, chat. So big shout out to the winners. Can't actually say names here, but we will
Check the bot. What's the bot saying?
check the bot. Let's check there quickly. I don't know. I'm coming through unless Chad. Yeah, I'm muted. So someone else is.
Always check the timestamp before you trust the bot. Give it some time to catch up. Um,
2-5.
I'm only seeing the 1 minute. Obviously, the 5 minute, the 15 aren't doing anything. So
Yeah, that's why I'll get myself into trouble now with the bot. I want to have a chat to Anu afterwards. Please help test call out wrong predictions. Price is good almost every time.
predicted trend up. Oh, there came as a bar.
Okay, guys, Nasdaq still within that range. US 30 just holding above Asia highs. Gold just absolutely crumbling here. Not a very efficient price action here, Chad.
I might still take the sell over here, bro.
Previous daily low.
Previous daily low. If you break underneath.
Let's check. 1 minute. Boys wanna get me in trouble here. For our pushing up, let's check here. Yeah, I would definitely. I'm on that with you, Keeks. If we can push up, test this level, reject, and we break structure lower here, Chad. I'm happy to. If we get something like that, I'm happy to take the shorts. Just gonna let price develop a little bit here, a little bit of price development. If Chris didn't say Asia lows and test, then I would have taken this. I wouldn't have taken the sell. So he's still my coach. Hey, Kiash. Wait, so I won. Yeah, bro, you won. Didn't you? Yeah. Sorry, man. You won the Ultimate Trader. We actually chatted about the top 3 on Fridays, the Friday show. Chris and Keeks, do you see the new driver for Mercedes in F1?
Youngster.
Ricky Bobby.
Huh?
How do you mean new driver? Who's the replacement for George?
For George.
For Hamilton.
Last time I checked, I was at Youngster.
Ricky. Yeah, it's weird they haven't replaced Hamilton. They were in talks with Max. Just I laughed when Christian Horner said like, hey, if there's a Verstappen you want, like please take Jos, not Max. That guy from Talladega Nights, Ricky Bobby. Oh, the guy's taking the piss out of us. Let's check here. F1.
Also, you just look at the F1 page. They'll always update the drivers. They haven't put anything out.
Chad, that's not a retest for me. Sorry, man. That's not a retest. I want to actually see a retest and a fail.
Yeah, for me, F1 hasn't put anything out.
No.
F1
Ricky
hasn't.
Bobby.
Mercedes hasn't.
I wake up and piss. Excellence. Yeah, Chad, just a note. This is not efficient price action. So please don't feel like you missed anything here. Unless it was your plan to take a trade from there. Not for me. If you've been trading long enough with us, the 200 EMA is a key level, and we didn't retest anything. We literally just broke through it. So held the retest, broke through it now. So no trade for me. Gotta be patient. Unfortunately, it was gonna be a slow week. I'm just the best. There's plain and simple, because I feel like Clipstead gonna cry. Okay. Hamilton joining Ferrari in 2025. There any changes this season? Don't think. No, but Merc have yet to replace Hamilton. If you ain't first, you're last. 100%. 100%. 100. Hey. Keeks, who would you love to see next to George?
Sure. It's a tough one, bro. It really is tough.
I don't know why they didn't get Albon. Albon is such a good driver and is in the mix with Merc. Like, it just makes sense. Like, Albon, did you see how well Albon did on the weekend? Like, hey man, George is just polished, my guy. He's just a polished dude. Like, he's that guy when they win. Everyone's like, hey, George, we're going for drinks. And George is like, oh no, I need to have my protein shake and I need to get my 7 hours rest. I need to feel refreshed and rejuvenated in the mornings. And everyone's like, all right, George. But anyways, see you tomorrow. George is that guy. Keeks, he's the guy. He leaves the work functions early. All right, guys, I need to get my rest. I need to stay hydrated. Aloe vera and cucumber, dude, that is George. Dude, I feel like Carlos Sainz is that guy. That guy that you invite, Keeks.
Bro, it might be a little bit late here.
Oh, you
But
taking
I'm
it?
taking
Okay.
I'm taking the grabber on US study.
Longs,
Shorts.
shorts.
I want to see how this candle's gonna close, and then I might take the shorts.
Oh, yeah, I haven't taken it yet. I'm
No,
just
no,
putting it
no.
on your screen.
Guys, because remember I said I wanted the retest, yeah. I necessarily don't. I'm not too worried about that, because this is our sweep of the Asia highs, big move up.
I'll quickly go pee for it, Keeks. I'll be back now.
So when we look at it, guys, remember this is just becoming our pullback. So yeah, still a big move to the downside we can have. We rejected the weekly R1. 1 hour, this there becomes that move. So let's see what this does here.
Okay, gold is giving me that rejection. Yo.
Yeah, I'm still not in here, Chad.
Okay, guys, 1 minute 30. Might look for some sells here on gold. Just letting you guys know. Yes, dude. Yeah. Anyways, it is. Okay, guys, gold. Let's lock it in here. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. There's a session lows. Session lows have been tapped. Previous daily low, daily S1 rejecting here. Mini little support there. Let's see, 30 seconds. Already tapped session lows. Didn't get volume to drive through. What I will say though is, let me just check what it looks like on the chart. Okay, if we re-break those lows, I'm actually going quite reduced risk on it. Let me just get the screen right here. If we re-break those lows, I want to see volume coming in. Okay, so I've got a sell stop on the break of the lows there. Stop loss is going to be just above here, 25 pips, and we've got the weekly pivot there. And let's see, it's going to be a 1-to-1. Could be a nice quick little drive, and we don't want to see it mess around here, chat. So it could be a nice little volume drive, but sell stops here.
Yeah, guys, I'm still waiting. I haven't entered yet. I will tell you guys what I do.
The JSE trade, beautiful. First one in a while, running beautifully. At the daily R1 now on the 5 minute. So I don't know who took it with me there. Was a little bit out of sync the last couple of days, or actually a week. Starting to get back into it. Okay. Alrighty, chat. Let's see what she does. Let's see what she does. Very close to the hourly closing. Alright, chat. If we get entered, we're entering on the close of the hourly. Not ideal at all, but we are rejecting that level. So what I will say is, let's say we close bullish here, formed a support. Then what I'll wait another, okay. I will actually wait for a re-break of the lows, alright. So if we've spent 2.5 minutes going up and we can't break the lows here, very likely we're not going to break it now. Yes, man. JSE, baby. JSE, baby. Let's make the JSE great again. Alright, chat. Let's see. I don't want to see this thing mess around. Not in yet. Not in yet. In. Okay. Active, chat. So we want to see this thing drive now. No playing around here. We've already had one break of the lows. I'm just going to set my stop loss real quick here. Stop loss is 25 points. And I want to see this thing just drill through here. And we're going to go break even once we hit Asia lows. Beautiful. Let's see if we can do some work here for the lads. For the lads. Incredible. Go. Go, go, go. Go now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. Was that 10 pips? That was actually 14 pips. Alright, chat, I just want to see if we can hit Asia lows. Hourly is going to close now. How deep is the pullback going to be? That is the big question now. How deep is that hourly pullback going to be? We're coming to an area of support. Very likely we could tap here, Chad. Looking at this, nice little equal lows here. So, oh, there we go. Shit. Okay. Chad, I'm going to break even on this. So I've moved my stops to break even. Stops are now at break even. Let's see if we can punch a young TP. I haven't even set my TP. Oh my goodness. Oh shit, Chad. There we go. I'm out. I'm taking profit right here. I'm out, Chad. Took it right there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come on, man. What is this? Beautiful 31 pips there, Chad. Incredible. Fuck, I can also catch a win. Damn. Kicks, give me at least a show here as well.
Nah, bro, that was dope. I honestly wasn't even paying attention to it. Remember, because we both said we actually wanted to break the under the lows. I'm just watching this. There's Keegan coming out live. That's what I want to see.
Keegan at least giving me a little show. It's been the Keegan show, but at least Keegan.
My boy's coming to the party.
Sheesh, Chad. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Chris, the bad voodoo is broken. I actually took it with you. Hey, Andre, now we're breaking all of that. Any bad juju, Chad. Yeah, flip, man. Incredible. Yeah, Keegan has been keeping us alive here with the crackers.
Give us that entry now.
Chad, I'm just also going to at least, it's been a while since I've taken gold with you guys. Drop a W in the chat if you took gold with us. Nice 32 pip TP here. W's in the chat. Beautiful. 260 of you guys. Beautiful. Give me a W in the chat. What a way to start the week. Awesome. Peace and love, baby. See, my wife is also in the chat. Here's the thing,
saying,
Chad.
Guys, I'm in on US today. We're doing the grabber kick.
Okay, going over to Keeks. I always ask my wife, who do you choose? And I told her, I always choose you. Ek kies jou, my prachtige vrou. Chad, my wife was on a roll last night. We were chatting. I'm not gonna disclose the chats, but I had a good laugh. If you think I have some jokes, hey man, my wife last night was on another level. She was on another level. But I enjoyed it. It was a good laugh. Yeah, Chad. JSE, the JSE trade, I'm also gonna go break even, guys. Just letting you know. The JSE play, moving stops to break even on that. It's currently running about 200 points. Target is 350 points, so let's see if we can get it. But yeah, going break even on the JSE as well. Is my wife still in the chat? Yeah. Where's Elswie? Kalas. Elsie. Just a naughty. What's cooking, Chad? Chris, I think my message got lost in the W, but what platform do you trade? We use IG. Laat Kalas make. Oh, Elsby. Just an absolute menace. Absolute menace to society. Just an absolute menace. IG markets, brother. If you can find any other platform, please let me know. Yeah, Chad, gold. So I'm just gonna go over to my screen. What a close there. Taking Asia lows and right back up here. Sheesh. Something came out. Even the JSE is pumping, Chad. Something came out here.
Everything popped off a bit there. That's what gave even USD the pop off. Yeah.
I'm actually gonna take it as soon as we hit that EQ. I'm in.
We are in the EQ. That's where I took it.
Oh, but check, my EQ is different to yours. I'm using FP market.
I'm not
Yeah, so it's a little bit higher. Let me just make sure.
That's why, like, I'm
41 to.
the grabber kicks.
Chad, something came out now. Definitely the way the market now. I don't know if it's a headline, but something definitely came out. Okay, is it on Keegan's screen? Savannah. Okay, here we go. I'm in with Keegs. Took it with you.
See if the grabber can work its magic today.
I'm in with Keegs here. Savannah.
Two trades in one London session. Yeah, it's been a while.
Sure, Chad.
London's
has
been quiet lately.
right, my dude. Savannah.
For me, one very simple with this trade, bro. If we get on the wrong side of this,
We did.
we did, because then the odds, that's the USD's going back to all-time highs today.
Do you think today's that liquidity drive?
Like, that's the thing, bro. If the EQ straight's wrong today,
It's
yo,
wrong.
we getting milked yet today.
I'm actually going to add similar to what we do. So I've got another sell limit 30 points up. You would know why. It's punching out of the range.
Yeah, when I trade the EQ strat, always a 30 stop loss.
Is that a 30 there on
That's
your
a 30,
screen?
yeah.
Oh, okay. So so I'm going 60. Oh, JSE moving beautifully, Chad. Damn. Why did Elsby delete a Chad? Okay, cheers, I've work to do. Bring home the big money. Okay, Melifi. Gold
No pressure, bro.
Two trades in one London session. Trading volume is back. Trump threatens to quit Kamala debate Kamala after RFK backs him, denounces media as per Fox News. I don't think that would, yeah. Alright. Yeah, let me just make my post.
Man's gotta do the influencer things. Yeah, guys, this I don't like. Whatever came out now, not liking that. Yeah. The thing is, bro, it could, yeah, it definitely could still.
Okay.
The biggest thing for me is I just don't like what broke in the markets. That's the pure thing about this trade. Something broke there for a moment.
I'm gonna try and see if I can find something. But Keeks, on mine, it punched out of that range. So as a minimum, like it's gonna at least need to retrace like 20 points, at least. The way it punched out. So okay. Forex Factory. Did we lock Miles in for this Friday? So I
Not
must I ask him, or are you gonna ask him?
I'll message him now.
Chad, yeah, we're gonna get Miles. Last time when he was here, obviously he was in the studio, and Mo went with the slow USB, but we still love Mo. Try collages created from your photos. Amina, I checked your message now. Let me quickly check. Let me quickly check there. I'm not seeing anything here. Let me check the news. Something definitely came out, Chad.
Yeah.
Something definitely came out.
No, you can see it in what obviously their gold's reverse. So gold's come back up there. Now DXY is coming back, but yeah, I'm not comfortable with where this is sitting. But as I say, guys, so if you guys haven't traded the EQ strat with us before, the EQ strat is very simple. It's a stop loss with TP. Yeah, I don't really cut the trade early or things like that. Well, yeah, that just answers your question.
Amina, sorry man, what did you choose? Did you choose to pay through Praxis or MasterCard? Because if I choose Praxis, I'm getting to the checkout page. Let me just check here, and if I choose Ozar, let me just check here. Okay, Ozar is working fine. Let's quickly do the other one. Let me just check where's Amina. I don't know if Amina's in the chat yet. Let's check Visa. Yeah, Visa also working fine, Amina. The Grabski.
My mate goes account, by the way. Thanks for the help. Okay, awesome, bro.
Chad, just checking gold here. Yeah, so for me, oh, damn. Yo, bro, something is happening in the market.
Jake, that's what we've literally been going on about. That something broke in the markets because you look at all the volume that's all of a sudden being pumped in with everything.
Chad, what I wanted to say is, okay, we took the sells there, beautiful. Next thing is we're holding the previous daily low. We've swept Asia lows. So Asia highs are now the target. So if we can hold a retest here, I'm actually going to go for buys as well. So I'm just letting you guys know, if we can hold this level here, we've already held the previous daily low and the daily S1. We're going all the way back up to the daily pivot, which is Asia highs. So let's see if we can get a break and a hold above here. Okay, so let's see. Something definitely broke in the markets, guys. But I'm still gonna scale in kicks. So Chad, the grabber I go is 60-point stop, and there where Keegan's stop is, I'm actually adding another position similar to just how extreme it is now. Could be completely wrong and completely accepting of that, but the way that we are punching out,
I must say, I don't like this 15 closure. That I'm not a fan of.
that strong close there.
Yeah.
James, the Cape Town G's are ready for the next level. Jeremy, we are also ready for it. We had a discussion yesterday. Me and Keegan actually have a 2 hour set aside to plan all of that. So it's looking very likely, Jeremy, we're not going to do the 14th. It's just way too close. It's going to be close to the end of the month. I'm getting my vasectomy on the 6th, so I don't know how tender you are after vasectomy, but yeah, I just told Keeks maybe 2 weeks after the vasectomy or a week after is a little quick. And Keegan just said, man up, dude. Man up. It's time to take some ballsy steps towards the community. And I'm like, I'm all for it. But yeah. Chad, beautiful JSE trade. Clapping take profit here. Incredible. 2 W's, and I think this grabber kick's gonna play as well. I think this grabber kick is gonna play ball with us. Believe it or not. I must also go in my snap have 4 goals already. Hey, Hanu.
Ja.
Hanu, sê my gou, was jy al by die uroloog gewees? I adjusted my pivot strength on the indicator I used, then backtest all trades I've taken this year. All my TPs remained the same or slightly changed, but my stop loss reduced by 10%. Hey, Liesel. A lot of graph for 10%, but that's what excellence calls from us. Baie dier lewe wat vir jou voorlê. Andre, hy het nie te bang. Chad, should I tell Honey the story while we wait here? Let me know if I must tell Honey the story. Nee, Honey, weet jy wat? Ek en Keegan gaan nog 'n plan maak om uit te kom na julle toe. Dan gaan ek jou vertel. Dan gaan ek jou vertel. Ons kan 'n lekker biertjie drink. Dan gaan ek vir jou vertel van ja, nee, Andre, ek gaan hom nie nou verwys nie. Tell him, Chris, let him get prepared. No. As ons gaan afkom, ons gaan 'n lekker biertjie drink en dan sê hy vir my, Chris, vertel my van daai eerste tripie na die uroloog toe jy vasectomy beplan. Iron ore prices climbed to 2-week high amid stabilizing steel demand in China. Just out of curiosity, what is your Keek's absolute dream car?
There's always 2 questions. There's the realistic dream car and the not realistic dream car.
I'm thinking in the short term, for me, it's the M3 X-Drive. Black. The black looks mad. I have to be honest, the black just looks insane. I know Keegan loves his M4.
To be fair, with the M4, I wouldn't say it's a dream car.
No, but I mean in a short term, like short term M4. If we're talking like a dream cars, like exotic cars, for me it will be the Ferrari, the V12. So it's obviously going to be the fastback. I still love I'll even take a Balonetta. But the V12s, so it would be the fastback. What's the newer one? That's also V12.
Not the super fast.
Isn't the super fast? Is it the super fast? Or I thought it's the fast. Is that not called the fastback? Yeah, it's a super fast. Yeah, so even the super fast, Chad, the V12 one. Hey, that for me is a stunning car. I'm not a fan of the SF90. It looks too almost like a Lotus. It gives me Lotus vibes, but geez, that thing is coming back for the boys, eh?
Hey, bro.
It's coming back for the boys.
Basically a break even. Just don't like the new bucket seats they've introduced. Looks and feels weird. Chris, go check the race 812 fast. Yeah, that thing is mad. Most of races cars are mad though.
Black looks insane. Diesel, I don't know. It's like the aura effect on your car. If it's black, it just looks wider. It looks mean. Like you can put a white M3 there, and you can put a black one there, and the black one just looks menacing. Yeah, the N logo, mad. Yeah, I saw that Fubs, they do incredible cars. Just don't like the new bucket seats. It looks and feels weird. Singer Porsche, yeah. Jeremy, you know what Porsche I want? You know what Porsche I want? It's a group. I'm gonna tell you now. There's a group that makes them. I sent it to Keeks as well. They build up old Porsches. Yeah, dude, stunning cars. I share the 12 sub story. If it holds the EQ, will R1 be where it's heading next? Yeah, that's the idea. But here's my thing, Carl. We're looking at something else on the other screen. The similar thing that we use for the cracker, and that's what gave us the idea that the short can play. So I'm honestly looking at what we're going to do at the daily pivot. So if we hold the daily pivot, so my average price that I entered is literally there. This is where I entered. I entered a little bit later. I literally entered there. Yeah. That's my entry, and then my stop is 60, and then I've got a sell limit. There. So the idea as a minimum is that we can come all the way back here. Dude, to be honest, 12 to 42, yeah. So the idea is we can come all the way back down here. Not a lot. In an extreme scenario, I would say Asia lows, but just seeing how bullish it's currently trading above. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to see Asia lows today still or in the session. So the low-hanging fruit for me is this 200 EMA. And I'm gonna say I think Keeks as well will go break even here because that's his 1-to-1. But if we hold a daily pivot, then obviously we're going bullish, but Keeks will tell you that 30 points he goes break even.
Yeah.
Is that on a grubber account or you actually taking it on your prop firm account?
Yeah.
Sure, that's mad. There's just levels.
We gotta do what we gotta do.
Chad, there's just levels to this, man. Started off with the grab, went into the prop firm industry.
Hey bro, you gotta back yourself as a trader sometimes.
You have to. So yeah, that's what I'll say when I hit the daily pivot. I'm gonna go break even because that is ultimately where we can start rejecting to go back up.
100%.
And considering Keegan's got a nice tight little stop there, considering it was 80% to his stop, and then going 1-1, incredible, almost 1-1. So that's the deal for me, Carl.
Gotta have faith in the grabber sometimes. Guys, what I will do is I am going to say I'm actually going to minimize that stop because it had the chance to run it. So we're going to bring it down to a 20. Obviously, you guys know we are still in the trade. Before I'm going to put here just for anyone else that's obviously still... Alright, just so we know this, purely because we don't want to see it come back. Alright, so we're all on the same page here.
Okay. Comics, I think, is 2 o'clock, if I'm not mistaken, eh? Comics is either 2 o'clock or 20 past 2. Brian, so what I would suggest is just check the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and just check the times there and just work it back to UTC plus 2. I'm on break even. Beautiful. When I started, my hot fingers would have panicked and closed the trade, only for it to come back into profits. It takes time to overcome this behavior. It does, Liesel. It does. Thanks, Chris. Brian, let me know as well. I would love to know as well, because I'm just speculating. I'm thinking it's 20 past 2, but that's a weird time to open. I can't see it. So it's either 2 o'clock our time or 20 past 2. Yes, that JSE chat. JSE is ripping. It is ripping. Rip, rip, rip. You're not break even yet, Keeks?
No. I've adjusted the stop.
Yeah, chat. So I'm actually going to delete my extra sell limit and I'm just going to move my stop with that. So I'm also going now with a 30 point. So my risk is already halved.
Jax, what are you on about, bro? Am I banned?
Where?
I don't know. He's asking if he's banned.
Jax, my chat's just getting lost here. Sorry, Jax. Well, Jax, where's Jax? Where's Jax? No, man, it's Jax always he messes with us. Chris, please see my question. Oh shit, sorry, man. No, man, Jax, you're messing with us, bro. There's no question. He makes us work here to find that question. Jax, pop it again, my brother, please, man.
Jake's like, you will go look for this question.
Hey, Jake's hashtag
where is this question, short. Bro?
It's 14:20, Chris. I don't see times.
Chris,
the open 40s. That is 20 past 2. Okay, sure.
You guys think Nas will continue this bullish pressure? I personally don't. I like the bearish move on Nasdaq. Is that the question, bro? Before I carry on.
No, I don't think it's.
Is that I did answer that earlier.
I think Jake's is playing with us. I can't see Jake's. Did somebody chalk Jake's now? Why is it saying user hidden on channel? Jake's? Jake's, are you there? Chris, please let me know about the bootcamp. Yeah. Okay, Michaela, thank you for asking that. We will send it out right now. Right now. I'm gonna send it out now. Keeks not break even yet, eh?
Nope.
You're checking that lower range. I think that's where we need to play. If it can get through that lower range. Alright guys, just sent the email, Michaela, just check the mailing list here. Do I see a Michaela on here? Thanks so much, Kate. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, this is just a retest, guys. So even this, I'm still happy with. If this holds under the EQ, I'm happy.
I got it. Thank you. Pleasure, man. Pleasure. Liesel Foster, when you send a message, it will, when you're in the metaverse, does one realize that they continue? Anna, but there's a difference to a user being hidden on a channel. Then it looks normal. It's just a case of you're just invisible. So you chat and everything goes through on your side, but you're in a different universe. It's like Inception. You 4 levels deep. We basically all awake here, and you under 4, 5 levels deep, and you don't even know it. And it will restart bot now. Alright, Ski. Comics is 20 past 2. Okay, Brian, so I had it right. I don't know if that was just luck, but I believe a while back somebody mentioned 20 past 2 to me. I actually just want to nuke this trade now at entry.
Well, that's my thing. Alright, this.
I'm actually Chad. I'm nuking the grabber.
You nuked it already.
Yeah, I got a little bit of a later entry, so it's literally I closed it at entry. But my only thing is, look how late we are into the session.
I'm actually gonna wait to let this 5 close. Depending how this 5 closes, then I'm gonna nuke it.
I still like it. It's just a case for me. Like, how much do you want to win in one day? You won the JSE, the gold. Like, do I really want to?
The man's being greedy now.
No, that's what I'm saying. I'll let you take that. I still like it. I think it's just a case of how late it is in the session. I don't want to still manage a trade on the side. Like, when we finish the stream, we still have some stuff to do, and then to look on the charts, you're not really doing deep work then. So,
Yeah.
So personally for me, Chad, that's the only reason. I still like it. I took profit at pivot. Beautiful, beautiful. Chad, if you liked all the strategies, there's another one that I'm going to bring in potentially. I'm going to chat to Keegs about it afterwards, but yeah, there's a little strategy that I'm cooking up. The beauty of that one is that it's going to come after the cracker. So yeah, I'm just letting you guys know. I can already give you a little bit of it's something that I actually had a look at, and it's called the opening range break. And I've been looking into it. I've been watching a lot of videos on some guys that have been trading it successfully. So still back testing it. It's basically you use the first 15-minute range, and that's your. So basically the shuffle. Remember, we wait for the shuffle to come and go, and then we wait for our position. Is it on indices? Yes. So you wait for your 15-minute shuffle to come and go, and you take that shuffle almost now as your Asia range. So while it's there on Keegan's screen, let's just go here quickly. Let's just take this off. So let's say yesterday, for instance, I just want to show you guys quickly. Okay, yesterday was messy, chat. Holy. Okay, markets open up there, and then the 15. So that candle, boom, opens 35, opens at 40. Yeah, that's it there. So there's your opening range, and then what you do is you wait for price to come and retest that range.
Chad, I'm out there.
Okay, let me just check here. Just
So
check there.
basically 4 pips. That's it. Or yellow. 4 pips.
So the idea is very simply put is you trade off that. So we take this almost like we use the Asia range. So if we hold the opening range break, so it breaks out of that range and it holds it, then you can take your trade. So now the thing is, what do we go for a take profit? What do we go for stop losses? That's all of the stuff that I'm still going to figure out. But yeah, that is the idea. You guys can also go back and back test it with me. I'm not going to take it live as of yet. There's still a lot I need to figure out with the trade management of it. But just to give you guys an idea, is markets open 15:30. There we go. 40. So there's your range. There you go. Okay. So here, for instance, what you would do, there's your range. So if you hold the range, the bottom of the range, then you can target the upper end of the range. And then here you can see a nice breakout of the range. And here you can see it was holding the range breakout. So that's the idea. I'm just letting you guys know, more or less, it's something that we're gonna work on. Like I told you, I've got zero edge with US30. I've never been able to trade US30 successfully on a long-term basis. So I'm still trying to figure out my edge. Keegan has been milking US30 for many years. But I think that's where Keegan started his base. Keegan, your entire trading career started on US30. So for me, it never started with the indices. Indices was always almost like this untouched thing. It's evil. You don't touch it. So, Fabs, there's guys that use a 5-minute. What I've seen so far, what I like about the 15 is it coincides with the shuffle. So that resonates with me. I feel it makes a lot of sense to wait for the 15-minute shuffle, and then you use that range. So, Chad, it's going to be interesting. I think the only challenge is going to be the entry criteria. That is the only thing that I need to look at is how do we enter? Do we go on the 1 minute, Are we going to go on the 1 minute to try and see some type of structure, some type of shift? Are we going to trade it on the 5 minute? Is one candle enough? We're going to need to see how we do it. So that's the only thing. The concept is very simple. The concept is super, super simple. Same as with the Asia range. It's just the case of how do we enter. And but yeah, exciting times. So something that's in the works. Giving you guys a little bit of a heads up. There's quite a bit of resources on it. Opening range break strategy. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Chad, but I think that's it, Keeks.
Yeah, that's it for me. I'm not going to enter again now.
Yeah, Chad, solid session. Really, really solid session. Needed for me to take some wins here on gold in the London session. London session has been absolutely, like I said, Keegan has been feeding us for the last 2 weeks. If it wasn't for the cracker, I don't know where this channel would have been. But yeah, Keeks, thank you so much, my brother. 12K. Hats off to you as well, and to the community.
All right, well done to the community, guys. We wouldn't have been here without you guys.
And Keegan slotting in the work for you guys, and always pushing, always trying to innovate. And Chad, yeah, we'll see you guys. And also, thanks so much for every single donor, Chad. Beautiful, beautiful. And we will see you guys at 3 p.m. Peace and love, baby. See you guys later.
Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you.